Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Mia. How are you today?
Hi, Kevin. I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was thinking about sports today, and I wanted to talk with you about my favorite sports activities. Do you like sports?
Yes, I love sports. I like to play and watch different games. What sports do you enjoy, Kevin?
Well, I really enjoy playing football. I play every weekend with my friends in the park. It is very fun and exciting. What about you? Do you play any sports?
I do. I really like basketball. I play with my school team and sometimes with my friends after classes. I also like to run. Running makes me feel free and energetic.
That is great. I sometimes run in the park after a football match to cool down. I enjoy a short jog because it relaxes my body and clears my mind.
Running is very healthy. I try to run for at least 20 minutes every morning. It helps me start my day with energy.
That sounds good. Besides football, I also watch football matches on TV. I enjoy watching famous teams play and learning new techniques.
I watch basketball games on TV, too. I like to see fast passes and exciting dunks. I also learn some new moves from watching professional players.
Yes, watching sports is a good way to learn. Do you have a favorite basketball team?
I like the Lakers because they play very well and have many great players. What about you?
I support Manchester United. I love the way they play, and I always cheer for them during the matches.
That is interesting. I don't know much about football, but I know that Manchester United is very popular.
They are. I often talk with my friends about the latest match results. We discuss the best goals and players' performance.
I do that with my basketball friends too. We talk about our favorite moments in games and sometimes play small matches at school.
It is fun to share those experiences. Do you play any sports other than basketball and running?
Sometimes I play volleyball with my friends during the summer. I enjoy the beach volleyball games because the weather is warm and the game is fast-paced.
Beach volleyball sounds exciting. I have never tried it, but it looks like a lot of fun. Maybe I should try it one day.
You should, Kevin. It is a great way to enjoy the beach and exercise at the same time. Do you play any other sports?
I also like to try table tennis. It is a fun indoor game, and I play it with my coworkers during breaks. It makes me laugh and relax.
Table tennis is fun. I play it sometimes in the University Sports Center. It is a good game to improve hand-eye coordination.
Absolutely. I think every sport has its own benefits. Playing sports makes me feel healthy and happy.
I agree. I believe that doing sports regularly keeps our body fit and our mind clear. Plus, it is a great way to meet new friends.
Yes, meeting new friends is one of the best parts of sports. I have met many good people on the football field. We talk, laugh, and even study together sometimes.
That is true. On the basketball court, I often make new friends. We even share our study tips and help each other with homework.
Sports bring people together, not just for the game, but also for life. Do you participate in any sports clubs at the university?
Yes, I joined the university basketball club last semester. We practice twice a week, and sometimes we have friendly matches with other clubs. It is very exciting.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I am thinking of joining a football club here. I like to be part of a team, and it will help me improve my skills.
Team sports are wonderful. They teach you about cooperation, discipline, and hard work.
Exactly. I learned many lessons from playing football, like how to work with others and support my teammates.
Me too. Basketball has taught me to be patient and to communicate clearly on the court. Every game is a learning experience.
Speaking of learning, do you think sports help with other parts of life, like studies or work?
Yes, I think so. Sports teach you time management, teamwork, and how to handle stress. When I feel stressed about exams, I go for a run, and it helps me relax.
I agree. Playing sports gives me energy and a positive mindset for work. When I am tired, a short game or a run recharges my mind.
That is very important. I try to balance my studies and my sports activities. I believe a healthy body supports a healthy mind.
Definitely. I always plan my day so that I have time for both studying and playing football.
I do the same. It is not easy, but it is worth the effort. Do you have any sports goals, Kevin?
Yes, I do. I want to improve my dribbling and shooting skills in football. I hope to play in a local tournament someday. What about you, Mia?
I want to work on my defense and passing in basketball. I also hope to participate in an inter-university match next year.
Those are great goals. With practice and dedication, I believe you can achieve them.
Thank you, Kevin. I also believe that sports make life more enjoyable and teach us important lessons.
I feel the same way, Mia. I really enjoy the time I spend on the field and the court. It is a break from the daily routine and a way to stay active.
And it is fun to share that experience with friends. I like discussing games, talking about our favorite players, and planning new training sessions together.
Yes, sharing our experiences makes sports even more enjoyable. I love when my teammates and I celebrate a good game, no matter how small the victory.
I do too. Celebrating small wins motivates us to work harder and try new strategies.
Do you follow any sports on TV or online, Mia?
Yes, I watch many basketball games on TV. I also follow some online streams of live matches. It helps me learn new techniques and stay updated on the latest news.
I watch football matches on TV. Sometimes, I join my friends at a sports bar to watch a big game. It is a great social activity.
That sounds fun. Sports are not just about playing, but also about enjoying and learning from them.
Exactly. I think we are lucky to have many sports opportunities here. I look forward to playing more and maybe even trying a new sport in the future.
Me too, Kevin. Maybe we can try a sport together sometime, like tennis or volleyball. It would be fun to learn a new game as friends.
That is a great idea, Mia. I would love to try volleyball. It is different from football and basketball, and I think it will be a fun challenge.
I plan to visit the sports center and ask about volleyball classes. I am sure it will be a good experience for both of us.
I agree. Thank you for sharing your sports experiences with me, Mia. I feel happy talking about our hobbies and goals.
Thank you, Kevin. I enjoyed our conversation as well. It is always great to talk with someone who loves sports as much as I do.
I look forward to our next chat, maybe after our next game or practice.
Me too, Kevin. Have a great day and keep playing.
You too, Mia. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Kevin.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.